In this tutorial we will learn how to add text behind subject. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Move to first layer and select Type tool. From here you can adjust font size accordingly. Click here and pick color. Make it bold. Now click and type here. From here you can choose the font size. Or press Ctrl+T for transform and drag like this to scale up and down. Go to FX icon and choose Bevel and Emboss. Now follow these settings. If you want to learn text effect in detail, then please let me know in comment.